Hi guys, well I've broke my Triumph Trophy SE 2016 antenna, typical with my bike cover, very common of course. So this is just a fiberglass rod, a bit of wire wrapped around it, and I think I can fix this. So I took the whole thing apart and I've already drilled the fiberglass rod out of the center there very carefully. It came out more in dust, so it was easy enough. So I drilled all the way down to that nut area, and now I think if I strip this black outer coating back, I'd be able to put that rod inside there, glue it in maybe, and then solder the antenna part of it to where it was originally, and a bit of heat shrink just to seal everything all up. I think I can fix this. Okay, I cut this off with my knife in a spiral where it was just missing the wire, because I want to keep the wire of course without damaging it. It's very fine, and I stripped it back to as much as I need very carefully, and hopefully now if I unwrap that wire we'll be able to put that inside, glue it in place. Okay, so that fitted in quite nicely and I super glued it in place, and now the next thing I'm going to do is solder that to that little spot there where it was soldered before. I soldered the little tiny wire to the original part. I think I will keep that wrapped round there at the extra, and the next thing is we're going to slide that shrink wrap down on that, seal it in, and I think we're done. Okay, that's the shrink wrap on. Use the residual heat from my soldering iron, so made it nice and easy. So I know all I've got to do is slide that down there, be back into its original position, screw it in place. That's it, fixed. Easy enough, and I just saved £105.